All right, it's time for another speaker unboxing. This time we have the Zealot. This is really cool. This is the S53. All right, so here's the S53. Comes in this box here. And it comes with many different features. We have wireless, Bluetooth. You can speak on your telephone, so you can actually take calls. It has a built-in mic. We have a TF card slot, which is very good. So up to 32 gigabytes of play. You can have your songs and place it in here. Okay, we also have, you can use a flash drive. We have omnidirectional mic, a stereo connect. We have wireless music, 3.5 millimeter audio cable, and oh, it has a radio also. I did not know that. That's even greater. Many different colors to choose from. All right, so let's open this up and see what's inside. We're going to do a bass test, bass and subwoofer test. We're going to also do a sound test for regular music. And here we go. All right, so we get a warranty card, user's manual, here we go, and it comes with the charging cord, and let's just see. Okay, so it is, oh, that's even better. It's a C charger. Okay, so it takes a C charger. It does not come with the wall plug. That's to be expected. It does not come with an aux cord. Okay, so here's the speaker. Oh, wow, this is actually big. Has some weight to it. It's not too light and it's not too heavy. It's just right. And here's the bass radiator. Right there, it's very flexible, as you could see. And okay, and it comes with a lanyard to attach as a handle. So since it has TWS pairing, I got another one. I didn't open that yet. So we're going to do a test with one, and then I'm going to do another video showing you the TWS pairing and how you can make this double the watts. All right, so the little handle is great. You can clip it to something. Again, the bass radiator's on the bottom. This is the buttons and the modes on the top. All right, let's turn it on and see. It might have some juice. It might not. I might have to charge it. Oh, here it is. It's this one. I forgot we have a light show. There we go. Oh, wow, that's so cool. All right, so this is the light show. This is great. I really like the light show. You can turn it off if you don't want it. So just do a long press, and then the light should go off, and that should save you battery. There you go. All right, so I'm going to put it on the highest volume. We're going to do a bass test. Bass and subwoofer test, and we're going to see how well this works. All right, so we're going to add a device. There we go. And it picked it up right away. Connecting. There we go. Connected. Okay, we're going to do a quick bass test. We'll do several songs, bass and subwoofer test.
In this song, there are three kinds of bass. One, two, three. Three. More bass. There are three kinds of bass. There are three kinds of bass.
All right, it had some bass. All right, so let's listen to some regular music now. Some instrumental, some pop music. All right, now we're going to try both of them TWS paired. So what you need to do is if you're already paired one, remove it. Remove it from your computer or your device, and I'll show you how to pair them. All right, so you got one turned on. One is searching for Bluetooth. You're going to turn the other one on, and they should connect to each other. There you go. All right, so now you're going to pair it to your computer, and let's go ahead. And there you go. Now with the two of them, we're going to do a quick subwoofer and bass test, and it's going to sound that much better. So let's go ahead and do it. A few quick tests with some pop music. I think the bottom line, these are great little miniature speakers to carry around. You have the little loop. It's a C charge. You have the TF card slot. You have the USB slot. It actually can take phone calls. You can use your microphone through your phone and take calls with this. This is phenomenal. It's a really good speaker. I would highly recommend two. Two sounds better than one, and it actually makes the music much louder. I like the light show. The light show is really fun, and if you don't want it, you don't have to have it. These are about the size, actually, they're shorter than a Coke can, but wider. Smaller than a JBL Flip 5, but they sound pretty good. All right, I give it 5 stars. Again, Zealot, and it's the S53. Thanks for watching. There'll be a link in the description below to purchase. And thank you for watching my review. See you guys all soon with the next.